Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. I have never talked in front of a camera before. I really like doing makeup, so I decided to make a channel dedicated to something I like doing. This is just a natural makeup look. I tend to do this when I don't know what to do. I tend to do this makeup look every day for school, but you can wear this whenever and wherever. Let's get on with the tutorial. I'm starting off with the brows. I used the NYX Wonder Pencil in light clear just to give a little outline for the brows so I know where to fill in. So for the dip pomade, I only use a little bit. I just tap into it twice, and then I use the back of my hand to get it on my brush. The brush I'm using is the Anastasia 7B. From here, I like to work my way up to this top line since it's all in that area. I'm concentrating the most color at the end of the brow. I start to form that line on top so it's even with this brow, and to do that I just start fanning the brush and like making the hairs go up rather than out and making it lower. And as I get to the front, I stop grabbing product, and then I take my spoolie and I just start brushing those front hairs. I finished that brow, and now I'm gonna do the other brow off camera. It is one bushy, crazy ass eyebrow.
What's your profanity?
To conceal these brows and reshape them, I am using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair because I am very, very, very white. I'm going to take this like white brush. I am not sure what brand this is. It just came in a brush set. I don't know, but it's a really good brush, so totally go buy it if you figure out, I don't know, I should really stop talking. I just start making that line and shaping that eyebrow to make it look real sharp. I am on a time crunch. I should be getting ready for my tumbling classes, but I am doing a video. Okay, I don't know why I did that. This was not part of the routine. You know what? I say if you have uneven eyebrows, who cares what anyone says? Show it. And if they don't like it, tell them to off, okay? Because that's how you were made, and you're a superstar.
I'm a star! A great big shining star! Yay!
For primer, I am using the NYX Honey Dew Me Up primer. I really love this primer. It's really sticky and it keeps your makeup on. It's just a really good primer and I highly recommend it. I love NYX. It's very affordable. It's really nice, and you're probably wondering why I'm not blending this concealer in. It's because I'm about to put foundation in and it's all gonna blend together anyway. So for foundation, I am using the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. This is like my favorite foundation. It's so lightweight and it goes on so easily. I'm using two different shades. I'm using 05 and 07, light, clear, and natural. So I'm just gonna put that on my face. Oh my god. I feel like I'm about to be late for the thing that I'm late for. That was something that was not necessary. You know, on a normal, so I said this is my everyday makeup look, and it is, but you see for school, this would be the extremely slow version, because for school, I'm literally like smacking my face because like I'm late for school a lot. So my Shape Tape again, and I'm going to put it at the bottom. Don't need that much because there's like a lot. Using the Fit Me Maybelline Fair Light Loose Powder. I know it doesn't even look like I'm baking because that's how light I am. White. Here you go. You can see the powder. Wow. Okay, that's great. I'm just going to take my Age Rewind concealer and I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm going to be using the Chocolate Gold palette. So I'm going in with So Bougie. I'm going in with Cocoa Truffle, and it's this shade. Just putting that on the outside and then working it in. Picking up the shade Famous, and is this shade right here. It is a really good shade. Brush in that bake. And I like to do my mascara at the very end. I don't know why. I'm just using the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Anastasia Amorisi highlighter.
This is like my favorite highlighter.
It is so nice and it's so beautiful, but I use so much of it, so the wavy is kind of gone. But I'm just using this smaller looking brush and I'm dipping my brush into that. This was definitely like the best highlighter I've ever used. For mascara, I am using the, I don't even want to like say it, okay? This is the mascara I'm using. I can't pronounce anything. So for lips, I'm just using Baby Lips in the color Pink Quartz, and this is the Baby Lips Crystals. I love Baby Lips. I'm going to take my setting spray, the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, shake that up, and then I'm gonna spritz. So yeah, that completes my everyday / natural makeup look. Usually wear this to school if I'm wearing makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and hopefully more makeup tutorials and videos coming up soon. Bye. I don't know how to end my video.